The Yak-41, also known as the Yak-141, was designed for several military duties as a carrier-based multirole combat aircraft. Here are some of the intended duties for the Yak-41. Air superiority. The Yak-41 was designed to engage and destroy enemy aircraft in aerial combat. It would have been equipped with air-to-air missiles and a radar system for detecting and tracking enemy aircraft. Ground attack. The aircraft was also intended to carry out ground attack missions, targeting enemy ground installations, vehicles, and troops. It could have been armed with air-to-surface missiles, bombs, and rockets. Close air support. The Yak-41 could have provided close air support to friendly ground forces by attacking enemy positions near the front lines. This would have involved engaging enemy forces in close proximity to friendly troops, delivering precision strikes on designated targets. Reconnaissance. The Yak-41 might have been employed for reconnaissance missions, gathering intelligence on enemy activities and providing real-time information to friendly forces. It could have utilized its sensor suite and onboard cameras to collect visual and electronic data. Anti-ship operations. The Yak-41 was designed to be deployed from aircraft carriers and could have been utilized for anti-ship operations. It could have engaged enemy naval vessels using anti-ship missiles and precision-guided munitions. Vertical takeoff and landing. One of the key features of the Yak-41 was its ability to take off and land vertically, enabling it to operate from smaller carriers without the need for catapult systems or large deck space. These are some of the duties that the Yak-41 was intended to fulfill. However, it's important to note that the Yak-41 program was cancelled before the aircraft entered operational service. Therefore, it did not see active duty, and the intended roles remained unrealized. Here are some technical details about the Yak-41. Dimensions. Length, 18.36 meters. Wingspan, 10.1 meters. Height, 5.05 meters. Empty weight, 10,500 kilograms. Maximum takeoff weight, 18,500 kilograms. Engine. The Yak-41 was powered by a single-road, 41 turbofan engine, which provided vertical lift and horizontal thrust. Thrust. Lift engine, 16,800 kilograms. Cruise engine, 9,000 kilograms. Performance. Maximum speed, approximately Mach 1.7. Range, approximately 2,000 kilometers. Service ceiling, 15,000 meters. Vertical takeoff and landing capability. The Yak-41 could take off and land vertically or in a short takeoff and landing mode. Armament. The Yak-41 was designed to carry a variety of weapons, including air-to-air missiles, air-to-surface missiles, and bombs. It had internal weapon bays to carry missiles and bombs, as well as underwing hardpoints for additional ordnance. Avionics. The Yak-41 featured a comprehensive avionics suite, including radar and other sensors for air-to-air and air-to-surface targeting. It had a fly-by-wire flight control system to assist the pilot during vertical takeoff and landing operations. Development and operational status. The Yak-41 was developed in the 1980s by the Soviet Union, and it made its first flight in 1987. Despite promising performance, the Yak-41 faced significant technical challenges, and the program was eventually cancelled in the early 1990s due to budget constraints and the collapse of the Soviet Union. The Yak-41 did not enter operational service, and no production aircraft were built. However, the development of the Yak-41 contributed to the subsequent development of the Yak-141 prototype, which was closer to an operational aircraft.